my name's Gabrielle and this is my creative piece. Today, we are going to be exploring the solar system. Okay, Space Rangers, does anyone know how many planets are actually in the solar system? There are 8 planets in total. The Sun is the centre of the solar system and all other planets orbit around it. Do you know how long it would take for Earth to orbit the Sun? It takes us 1 full year. Mercury is the first planet and it's also the one closest to the Sun. This means that the temperatures get really hot. Does anyone know how hot Mercury gets? Temperatures can reach up to 427 degrees. That's hot enough to even melt your ice cream. Next, we have Venus, the second planet. Venus is covered in lava, also making it extremely hot. Do you think Venus is bigger or smaller than Earth? They're actually about the same. Next, we have Earth. Earth is the 5th largest planet and it's the only one we know of that has life, such as plants, people, and even animals. We also have something called gravity, which pulls us down so we don't float away. If you want to see how gravity works, stand up and jump around, and you won't float off. Mars is the 4th planet in the solar system, and it's also the one most like Earth because it takes just about the same time to orbit the Sun. Can anyone guess how many moons Mars has? It has 2, that's right, 2 very small moons, and they're both very close to Mars. Next, we have Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet of all. Did you know that every other planet in the solar system could fit inside? That's how big it is. How long do you think it would take Jupiter to orbit the Sun? It takes a massive 12 years. That's even older than you guys are. Next up is Saturn. Saturn looks a bit different from the other planets, doesn't it? Can you tell me what's different about it? It has rings all around it, and these rings are made up of icy rocks, and when the sunlight shines on the rocks, they sparkle. Uranus is the 2nd last planet, and it spins in the opposite direction to Earth, and it takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. It's one of the coldest planets. Can you guess how cold? Temperatures get below 200 degrees. Now that's freezing, and it's way too cold for any form of life. Last but not least is Neptune, the planet the furthest away from the Sun. Neptune is one out of the 4 gas planets we have, so it's not solid like Earth, meaning you wouldn't be able to walk on it. Can anyone guess how long it would take for a spaceship to get there? It would take 12 years from Earth. Hope you Space Rangers have had fun today and learnt lots about space. Thank you.